Okay, well today we're going to be talking about the LRS UK, an LRS product, which is a TX7471 2-watt transmitter. In fact, it's a top of the range transmitter is this. We're only going to show you a few features in this particular video, but if you'd like to know more, we've got other videos covering the TX7471 and almost all of its features. Okay, as well as the TX7471, today we're going to be showing you the alpha text pager. This is called a CS8 alpha text pager. It's in full color. You can have different colors and different text colors and things like that. And yeah, very powerful device. Can be used for so many businesses, but it really is, comes into its own when you want to get a message to either a customer or maybe a truck driver or something like that. And this transmitter is absolutely perfect for doing that. And I can show you how simple it can be to do a couple of things. We'll start off by showing you what maybe someone in a restaurant might do. Well, this is page number 5, as you can see from its screen. You see that? If you want technical information about the CS8, by the way, we've got other videos that cover that. Maybe linked in the text below. But I'm going to show you the operational use in this little short video. So what we want to do is choose page number 5. It's in guest mode, so we can switch between staff and guest. It's in guest mode. Hit page number 5, and the default message has been set up to, well, you will see it yourself. If we just press enter, what you'll get is the table's ready. You see that? All really nice and simple. Okay, well, you saw how easy that is. But let's imagine, well, it's not in a restaurant and not in a pub and not in many other sort of situations where you want to get them come back because the table's ready. For example, it might be a truck driver. And what you'd want to do with a truck driver is inside this transmitter, we've got a number of specialized messages. In fact, we've got 76 pre-stored messages and 23 messages that we can completely customize to anything you want. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use the first customized message that's been stored in here. The thing about these pre-stored messages in this particular transmitter is they can be a partial message. So you can have a message that will say, for example, go to bay. Okay, that could be a custom one, or it could be any one of the 76 pre-stored ones that has a different word or that sort of thing. In this case, we've actually programmed message 77 to be the complete message, but you would probably program it go to or return to bay and no number. And how you could put the number in is quite simple. If we choose the pager, there it is, hit number 5, press enter, and we say 077. There's the message, right? Return to bay, and it will say 6 on this one. In this simple demo, well, if I press enter, we get return to bay 6. You can see that. Okay, what I want to do is also show you another method where, rather than just a pre-programmed message like that, we've got another message that we've got in this system, which is 078. So if I was to choose page 5, which this one is, and press enter, and type 078, if I press enter now, you'll see the message. It won't make much sense. Go to bay, but it doesn't say which bay, does it? Okay, so let's do that again. Let's say page number 5, 078. And let's say, I don't know, 56, bay 56. It says there 078, 56. 078 is the message. 56 is the bay. So watch what we get. All very simple. Go to bay 56. It's that simple to direct people to where you want them. Now, some of the important things are that if you've got a long message, really long message, it'll scroll across the screen. So it just goes round and round and round until, well, until you reset the pager, which is a good thing. Okay, and we can have different colors. We've talked about some of that, but not in any real depth. And there are other videos maybe available from the text below that can show you the color operation. Yeah, all very interesting. We're going to sum up at the moment now and just tell you about the warranty and things like that. Now, with LRS UK, we always offer a 3-year warranty on our products against manufacturing defects, whereas you'll find most of the brands out there, even the more premium brands than the cheapest Chinese products, will only offer you usually a 1-year warranty and sometimes 2. We have customer services people that are very friendly and helpful, no matter what the circumstance, and qualified technical engineers that have been trained at the factory. So, you're going to get the best of the best service from LRS. That's one of the reasons why we're probably one of the biggest paging companies in the UK. If you'd like to know any more about these products, whether it be the TX7471 or the CS8 Alpha Coaster Pager, then just visit lrspagers.co.uk, and you could buy them online, but it's always probably better to talk to us if you're interested in buying. And we do free trials and things like that, so you're not stuck with the product. If you have a trial and it's not for you, well, that's great. We'll help you with different products, or maybe not even any products if it's not for you. But that's the great thing about LRS. We're always willing to help. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again.